Got your shiny new Lloyds Bank debit card? Let's get it activated and ready for action in no time. First things first, check the packaging your card arrived in. Sometimes there's a sticker directly on the card or a leaflet that provides the quickest activation method. Often, the simplest way is a quick phone call. To activate via phone, find the Activate Your Card number on the sticker on your card or in your welcome letter. You'll be guided through a simple automated system or a customer service representative will assist you. You'll typically need to provide some personal details for verification, like your date of birth and the last few digits of your account number. Alternatively, if you prefer the online route, head over to the official Lloyds Bank website. Log into your online banking account. Once you're securely in, look for a section related to your debit cards or account services. There should be a clear option to activate new card or a similar prompt. You'll be asked to enter your new debit card number and possibly other security details like your expiry date or the 3-digit security code on the back. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to confirm your activation. And if you prefer a face-to-face experience, or if you encounter any hiccups, popping into your local Lloyds Bank branch is always an option. A member of their team can guide you through the activation process right there and then. Once activated, your Lloyds Bank debit card is ready to go. You can use it for everyday purchases, online shopping, and of course, for quick cash withdrawals from ATMs. Congratulations, your new card is officially live.